range of body oils come in many different scents. I won't reel them all off because I'll probably forget one. But they come in many different scents. Do check them out on our website. Lots of different benefits from the different essential oils, which again I won't run through, but everything is detailed. Each ingredient is detailed on each product and the benefits of each ingredient. The base oils are all the same, and I'll run through them and also give a little demonstration. I'm Marianne from Heavenly Organic Skincare, and I hope you enjoy this video. So the base ingredients are olive oil, jojoba oil and sunflower seed oil, all rich in vitamins A and E to help promote skin healing, elasticity, really deeply moisturising, anti-oxidating, anti-inflammatory, promote skin regeneration. Really lovely, lovely oils. So we've really carefully considered what oils to blend together, producing our very versatile body oil. Versatile because you can use it on wet or dry skin. It's very popular with professionals as massage oil, and you can also use it in the bath. Now, I'm not going to waste a new one. I haven't got one on the go at the moment because I'm going through my hand and body cream. So I'm going to use our little sample, and this is orange and lime, which is my favourite. Now, say you can use it on wet or dry skin. So if you've had a bath or shower, you can either just dry yourself off and then just pop some on, massage it in. Or you can, once you've stood up from the bath or you've turned the shower off, you can apply it on the skin wet and then massage it in and then just pat your skin dry. So it's very popular as a massage oil. You can also just put a few drops in the bath as well. Orange and lime is my absolute favourite, as so many of you know. So I shall show you. A little goes a long way. So that's what it looks like, that deep, rich colour. I shall put some on here. Just put my arm up. See, oh, I love the smell of it. Can you see how it's absorbed in? You really don't need much. You use it all over your body. And it just feels so soft. It's just, I just love it because it is so versatile. You can see my skin is not oily. I mean, that's where I've used it on both sides. If you put way too much on, you'll be spending a lot of time massaging it in. But you really don't need much. I would say for the whole body, I would probably use about a penny size amount I'd use on the palm, and that would cover both my arms, and then maybe a penny sized amount for each arm and leg, so 3 penny sized drops worth on your hand, and that would probably cover your whole body. I mean, that does for me, but everyone's different. I hope you enjoy. I hope you found this informative, and thank you for watching.